Hello all. I haven't posted any videos lately basically because it's been colder than shit. Last week we got, 16 inches of snow in one day. And last night I wondered why my back hurt so bad, and I realized that I've been shoveling snow for almost 7 days. 7 days tomorrow. So last couple days I was finally able to get out to the property because they finally plowed the county roads and started using the excavator to move snow out of the mill yard and around the mill and doing a bunch of shovel work. And today I've got more shovel work to do and more excavator work to do. I did make it the third of a mile back to the bunkhouse, and but I still got to dig all that out. And then I got another, portion of a mile to get back to where the timber frame house is going. I've been doing posts and stuff and putting stuff together on the workbenches, but yeah, that's been under a foot of snow for a week, and yeah, so I did get some new toys out here to make things easier, but I'll show you that. But this might not be a long video. It might just be me moving snow, or my phone might just die because it's so cold. But thanks for watching. I already broke one. Looks like I'm doing a show tune here. Look at that. I don't know, maybe we'll catch my own heart attack on here. Oh, the gas station burrito doesn't taste good the second time. Or the V8 I decided to have with that. Jesus. Oh, making things easier. Got this NAC 89 Storage Master job box to take some weight out of the truck and make things easier up here. It was missing its locks, so I found those from NAC, or at least the brackets that allow you to put a lock in. And then my brother and I replaced the shocks. And honestly, I've used NAC boxes for years on job sites since I was a young man. But this is the first time I've ever had one where the gas struts that help you open the lid and help you close the lid have actually worked. Every one in my entire history. Wrestle that lid up and drop that and smash it on the top, and then try not to die when you're getting tools out of it. But hey, this one works. And I think new, they're, $1,600. Got this one off of Facebook Marketplace for $600. And went and picked it up north and got hypothermia. And but anyway, here it is. It's kind of nice. Maybe I'll show you some stuff. Well, it continues to snow. But I have cleared out a path. I put some stone down here earlier in the season, so now I can drive my truck up here. And here's the janky sawmill shelter, still awaiting some other parts and some metal. But yeah, use the excavator and scrape this out. That's a lot of snow for these parts. And if it wasn't -4 degrees, it might go away sooner, but that is what it is. The old knack box. Watch this. Look at that. So easy. So easy. Still working on some organization here, but I'm gonna keep my patterns in here. And my wrench. And other odds and ends. Come on, sugar. There we go. I'll show you this. I think you can see that. This is a Watchman 2 lock system that came in these old ones. And the interior brackets were missing to engage the locks. And those are long gone. And after I reverse engineered them in SketchUp and was going to fabricate them, I finally reached out to Knack, and they sent me a setup and measurements to drill a hole here and put their Watchman 3 or Watchman 4 bracket in, and it works out just fine. So got those on both sides, and that's good. And some new shocks up here. So yep, keep all my toys in here. I made a drilling jig for wind braces because I'm not great with a hand drill. Used to be, but anyway, I milled some drop oak there, mounted it to plywood, and that way I can get my drill stand up here and do some plumb holes through the tenons on the wind braces. So that's what I'm doing tonight. That'll take some getting used to, just getting the set up, but that's one end. There we go. There's one. Once it's in there, it's kind of hard to see the drill screw bit going into the right position, but I think I figured it out. Just loosen it up and set the point in the marks I made from marking it on the frame, and then just lower that base down and go to town. All right. There's another. Oh, the joys of working outside in the winter. Get a shave off some ice out of here. That's not too bad in there. Now the fun part. Fitting mortises into tenons by yourself. So close. That's not bad. Okay, back on the struggle bus here. We'll see if I can get a little shim in there. That's a start. It's a good workout.